President, this statement is delivered on behalf of the International Drug Policy Consortium, Acción Técnica y Social, the Center on Drug Policy Evaluation, the Center for Legal and Social Studies, Harm Reduction International, Instituto RIA, and Penal Reform International. The study presented today shows that the human rights devastation brought by the war on drugs is at the center of the Human Rights Council's agenda. The working group's recommendations will be instrumental in the ongoing debates on mass incarceration and policing, but also on other critical issues in the Council agenda, such as the right to health, the rights of indigenous peoples, the death penalty, and criminal justice. The study also reveals the extent to which drug laws are used to target oppressed groups such as women, LGBTQI+ people, and ethnic and racial minorities. Madam President, the UN must act with a strong and unified voice to advance drug policies that are centered around human rights, public health, and social and racial justice, with the meaningful involvement of people who use drugs in affected communities. This will only happen with the Human Rights Council taking a leading role. The 2015 and 2018 Council resolutions on drugs were critical in bringing human rights to the core of global drug policy debates. We urge the Council to adopt a new resolution on drugs, taking stock of new contributions such as the International Guidelines on Human Rights and Drug Policy, or the UN System Common Positions on drugs and on incarceration, as well as of emerging themes such as mass incarceration and systemic racism.